Subject pronouns in Kiswahili. Subject pronouns in Kiswahili. There are three personal pronouns in Swahili. We have first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. Each personal pronoun has a singular and plural form. Singular and plural. We have mimi, sisi, wewe, nyinyi, yeye, wao. So mimi, sisi is first person plural, a first person pronoun. Wewe, nyinyi, second person pronoun, and yeye, wao would be third person pronoun. First person pronoun, singular and plural. Mimi, which is I, sisi, us, represented by ni, tu. Mimi ninaenda shuleni. Sisi tunaenda shuleni. Mimi ninaenda shuleni. Sisi tunaenda shuleni. Mimi ni shows the singular and tu shows the plural. We have second person pronoun. We have singular and plural. We have wewe, which means you. Nyinyi, you, represented by you. Wewe unaenda shuleni. Nyinyi munaenda shuleni. So wewe u shows the second person pronoun, and shows the second person plural. So u is singular and is plural. Third person pronoun, we have singular and plural. We have yeye, which can mean he or she. Wao, which means they, represented by awa. Yeye anaenda shuleni. Wao wanaenda shuleni. So the a shows the third person pronoun, and wa shows the third person pronoun plural. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.